Have you ever lost money while investing digitally? It could be because you were using a fake application. Fraudsters today have become so sophisticated, and so many banking applications, trading applications, loan applications even are out there that are actually fraudulent in nature but look exactly like the authentic app. To stay protected from this and so many more such frauds, Quick Heal is launching Antifraud.ai, India's first fraud prevention solution. Antifraud's fraud app detector essentially scans your entire device and checks all your application and alerts you immediately if it detects any fraudulent application. Not just that, post-COVID, I think we do everything digitally. We even shop for groceries online. And in the process, we've signed up on so many websites. We've created our account and absolutely everything. I mean, given up some basic information about ourselves to create that account. In the event that any such website gets breached, which we listen to on the news every single time, what really happens is our data that is breached. I mean, our data is available on the dark web for sale. Antifraud's dark web monitoring scans the entire dark web and alerts us immediately if our data is ever found as part of a breach. Not just that, every single transaction that we do on our device, its secure payment feature ensures that all our digital transactions, whether it's through GPay, whether it's through Paytm or any other application, is absolutely secure. So often, we also keep thinking and wondering, is my phone listening to what I'm saying? Because every time I talk about something in a social setting and then I look at my phone, suddenly all the articles, everything, the advertisements are related to what I was talking about. But it's not paranoia. Trust me, this is really happening. The applications on our phone are accessing the microphone and camera even of the device without our knowledge and without our permission. Antifraud's unauthorized access alert basically scans your device and alerts you when any such application is trying to access your microphone or your camera without your permission, even when the phone is not in use. So with Antifraud.ai, you can be sure that you are one step ahead of the fraudster every single time. Antifraud.ai, अब कोई fraud नहीं.